I think it was educational for them and for me. So they gave me a very specific criteria of what they're looking for that will check off every box. But then they also gave me a max budget. So we realized after seeing a few homes today that there might have to be a little bit of compromise. Can I find them everything that's going to check off those boxes? Probably, but is it going to be in their budget? Probably not. So they realized that today too, and I think it was really educational for them, and we're going to keep looking. Everything we saw today, there were things that they liked and things they didn't like about it, and now I know what, after listening to them and going through these properties, what is more important and what is less important to them. So they started off saying these are the must-haves, but after seeing these are like, well, you know, I might be able to live with that, but I really want this. So for people who, you know, have their must-haves and must-not-haves, I think it's always a good idea to make a list. Give me your top 10 must-haves, must-not-haves, and then give me your budget. Now, I'm going to show you something similar to that, and you tell me now, of those top 10 must-haves and must-not-haves, what can you live with? What can you not live with? Absolutely. So if you want an open floor plan, but you also really want a fenced-in yard, which one's more important? You can always fence in a yard, but that open floor plan, it's, you know, that's something that isn't as easy to change. So it's always good to make a list and then be willing to be flexible with it.